Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to upload your Canva designs straight to Google Drive in this full 2026 walkthrough. It's a simple process, but there are a few spots people tend to miss, so I'll break it all down step by step. All right, so first thing you'll want to do is open the design you want to upload. This could be a poster, a slideshow, a thumbnail, whatever you're working on. Once your design is open, head over to the top right corner and click the Share button. Yeah, that's where Canva keeps all the download and export options now. Inside the Share panel, choose the download option. You can select whatever format fits your needs, like PNG, JPG, PDF, or even MP4 video if your design is animated. Pick the one you need and give it a second to prepare the file. When you hit download, Canva will generate your file and save it to your device. Just make sure you know where it landed, usually in the Downloads folder unless you changed it. Now, switch over to Google Drive. Just go to drive.google.com and sign in with your account if you're not already. It'll take you right to your main Drive dashboard. To upload, click the new button on the top left and choose File Upload. Then just pick the Canva file you downloaded earlier. And yeah, Google Drive will start uploading it right away. If you want to stay organized, you can drag the file into a folder or create a new one just for your Canva projects. It makes things a lot cleaner, especially if you work with a ton of designs. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your Canva design to Google Drive, and now you can share it, store it, or access it from anywhere. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more quick and useful guides.